All right, guys. This is the final box. I got nothing left. This is it. Prospect Rush, box 10. We just had a red refractor. Box 10, Prospect Rush, case 4. This is it. I'm done. Actually, I just filled 2 cases on Blowout Cards that they're moving to active maybe tonight, tomorrow. And I'm breaking 2 cases there. And I don't know if I can find any more cases anywhere, so I don't know if I could do another break. 333 of 500. That's a lucky number. That's what your odds were per team of getting a hit. 33.3. Unless you had the Astros, and it was significantly lower than that. Joe Panic, Josh Bell, and a Trevor Bauer refractor. 63 of 99 for the Bauer Power. All right, guys, this is it. This is it right here. And it is a Blue Wave. Blue Wave 9.5. Nick Castellanos. Nick Castellanos Blue Wave, guys. 9 centering, 10 surface, 9.5 everything else. So, contrary to popular opinion and rumor, I did not hit the Jorge Soler Superfractor Auto. As much to my chagrin, I wanted to hit it for you guys, but we did not hit it. Nick Castellanos, Blue Wave Refractor 9.5. All right, guys. Yeah, it is what it is. Tigers. Okay, I'm going to do a recap here in just a minute.